didn't sleep last night. Months of training. And today's the day. We look at each other. No one shows their hand. But I know it. I've got strong legs and the best bike. Something big is about to happen. And I'm heading straight for it. I pedal hard. I push my limits. Too many hours on the edge. And still a long way to go. I trained for this. The sacrifice is real. Doubt whispers in my ear, but it doesn't win. I silence it with every pedal stroke until it returns again. I promised myself I wouldn't stop. I keep fighting. There's something more. Something inside that won't let me quit. They hurt. My legs are on fire. Night falls. Everything fades. But willpower persists. Stopping would be easy, but that's not why I came. I came to win. The horizon surrounds me. Silence covers everything. The gradient shows no mercy. My body screams. My legs are giving in, but my mind holds on. Still, I move forward. And then, it all makes sense. Riding gives me this moment. This is Nai. Fast gravel, unbreakable spirit. More innovation, more performance, more speed. Push your limits with the new gravel bike from Berria.